This is a story of an extraordinary boy, Leonardo, but we call him Leo da Vinci. I'll tell you 3 things I know about him. He's a curious inventor. He loves to draw strange things. He fancies me. By the way, my name is Lisa. Mona Lisa. In addition, I want to tell you one thing I never told anyone. We 3, me, Leo, and clumsy Lolo, are challenging a conspirator without a name, his evil advisor, and a handful of pirates to stop the biggest conspiracy ever plotted in Florence against the Medici family. Do you want to know how the story ends? I'll only tell you that without me, the story could end badly. Very badly.